Hello everyone, this is your favorite channel, dany-sonic telecoms. Today I want to show you the sources of our unlocking history. These are the numbers of phones we've unlocked so far in this year 2023. As much as you can see, this device has been unlocked by us, so you have to trust us and give us your device for unlock. We can unlock it, but remember, we take payment first, and after payment your unlock is guaranteed. It is guaranteed that you are going to be unlocked. Your device is going to be unlocked permanently, even if it is the ones with demo 0000 IMEI. We can fix it. Any model of Samsung it is, just drop a DM to us and contact us by our WhatsApp number. It is done in some minutes. We unlock it worldwide via USB redirector. We don't need the phone at hand, but we can work for you wherever you are, and you connect us. We unlock. What to do is the unlocking, and your device is okay. You enjoy your device again. Any carrier, we don't make choice of carrier. Any carrier, any bit, any CPU, but the prices are different because of the security patch of maybe V1, V2, V3 or V4. We can unlock them. Send us a DM here by the number showing on the screen and the WhatsApp number under the description of the video. Thank you for choosing dany-sonic. Please subscribe. Also share our videos with your friends and recommend a friend for us. We are trusted and guaranteed. No scam, no spam, no ripping, and no fraud. Any form of fraud, we are not into it. If we cannot unlock your device, we are going to refund you 100% your money that you paid. So trust us. Give us the work. We can do it. Thank you once again. Have a lovely day. Have a wonderful day at work. We still remain your faithful dany-sonic, the great, the unlockers, the demo fixers, and the worldwide GSM assistants. Thank you once again. Have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your work.